Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you learn the Laravel 10 version, which is the latest version of the Laravel 10 family. We have already installed and also downloaded the Laravel 9 version. We have already created a series which is a Laravel 9 version available on the internet. But Laravel just launched the Laravel 10 version, so that's why we are creating or upgrading from Laravel 9 to Laravel 10. So in this series, we are going to cover each and everything from the scratch. So if you are a beginner, that's fine. If you are an intermediate, that's also fine. And even if you are an expert, we're gonna give you some tips and tricks. I'm Shazad Ahmed, and I have more than 10 years of experience in web development, especially in PHP. I've created thousands of websites, thousands of management systems in my career in different kind of software houses. So that's why if you are expert, I'm gonna share my experience that how can you create or design the scalable web applications by using the Laravel 10. You know very well that Laravel 10 is a PHP based framework. So first of all, you have to familiar with the frameworks. You have a lot of frameworks available in the market. If you talk about the coordinator, Laravel, Falcon, Aura, Cake PHP, a lot of variations available in the market. So Laravel is the king. If you talk about the frameworks, PHP. So that's why we have selected the Laravel, and now you can create the enterprise level applications by using the Laravel 10 or any kind of versions. So you know very well that you have the PHP and also Laravel 10 support PHP 8.1 version. So we're gonna discuss about the tools and also the versions which we are going to use in this series. But for now, Laravel is a framework. It's a PHP based framework. So now we talk about the PHP which requires the server to execute the PHP script. So either you are using the VAMP, LAMP, XAMPP or any kind of package to execute the PHP script. It's fine. I'm gonna use the Laragon package or Laragon software which execute the PHP script. And Laragon give us a lot of things out of the box, like I can install multiple PHP versions by using Laragon. So if you talk about the tools, Laragon first tool, then second tool, we're gonna use the VS Code. It's a free text editor. We're gonna use if you are using the PHP Storm or if you're using the Sublime or any kind of text editor, it's also fine. You can also use that. Okay, so let's talk about the databases. You know very well that we have the migrations to create the databases, but for the visualization, you can also use the PHP MyAdmin or SQL Yog or any kind of tool to manage your database. But I'm gonna use the data grid, which is a JetBrains tools. Make sure it's not a free. It's $230 worth. But if you are a teacher and you are a student, you can have the free license, or you can contact them and they will provide you the free license if you are a student, if you're a faculty member, and even if you are a teacher. So now these are the tools, and the last tools, which is the composer, which is the dependency manager. While downloading the packages, you know very well that we always use the composer. So composer, data grid, VS Code, and also the Laragon. These are the four tools we gonna use in this series. We start from the zero so the basics person can easily understand. Then we gradually complete our steps, or we gonna go upward. We're gonna discuss about the all systems. We're gonna cover each and every single concepts in Laravel 10. We're gonna also use the APIs, the third party APIs, so you guys can easily familiar with that. How can you use the third party APIs? So this is the huge series, and we're gonna cover each and every single thing, from scalability, from availability, and also we're gonna cover each and everything. Make sure we're gonna also cover the white and also the importance of the white or the asset bundling. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you can promote us or our channel. So thank you for watching.